In this video, I'll show you how to create the trend "I try to live black and white" video you see on TikTok like this. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So this is currently the trending video on TikTok where users basically use a template to create these kind of videos. You can see some flashes and you can see some filters applied to the video. So let me show you how to create this video. So in order to create this video, you want to tap on search here at the top right. Now you want to search for the Simple Dad, which is my TikTok account. And with the double D at the end, tap on my profile here. And once you do that, you want to scroll down until you see this video here. Tap on it. Now this is the video trend which I've done myself. I will add a link to that TikTok video in the description down below. On this video, you'll find this template here, Capcut free video editor. You want to tap on it. This will then take you to this page here. And at the bottom, you'll see use template in Capcut. So go ahead and tap on that. Once you tap that, Capcut will open up and this will basically show up the template here. Tap on use template again. Now here you want to tap on photos and you want to select 4 images. Once the image has been selected, it'll basically gray out like this. Then tap on preview here at the bottom right. Now this will give you a preview of the video which you've just created. So there is audio to this video. However, I have muted for copyright reasons. So once you're happy with the video, go ahead and tap on export here at the top right. Now here at the bottom, you'll get some options. Go ahead and tap on save and share to TikTok. And that will basically export your video to TikTok. You can tap on add a sound and add any trending sound. You can add your text stickers. Then tap on next. Now in this caption area, you want to add hashtag Capcut. And the next hashtag is I try to live black and white trend. Then go ahead and post it on TikTok. And that is how to create I try to live black and white video trend on TikTok and Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.